car, man. How about this, man? Watch a cat now. Yeah. A road killer want turn puss. I want to rot this. Wagwan.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to the Island Family channel.
Welcome to the Island Family.
Yesterday. So we're there up on a Saturday.
I hope everyone's good.
Yeah, man.
Where you are on the side of the world.
Yeah.
Where we are at the moment, going shopping.
Yeah, we are going shopping.
Just get a few little things that we need.
Chill day today, you know, because it's Reggae Sumfest night.
Oh my god, my hair's a mess too. I didn't realise.
You good, man.
I was out the back washing and stuff.
Yeah, so it's Reggae Sumfest night in Jamaica. And one thing I always say is that it feels so good to be watching like events like even Sting in recent time and all that. We'll be watching them during the day, you know, while I see even people on the live stream be saying, oh, them feel tired, them want to go sleep. I get the opportunity to watch these things during the day, you know. So yeah, go back home and watch Reggae Sumfest throughout. Yeah, man.
So just another thing, guys, it's Island's birthday coming up.
Yeah, on
the 31st of July. Abel boy? Yes. Your birthday, 31st of July. Birthday. Yeah, so he'll be turning 3. So yeah, I hope that we can all get you guys to give us a comment on Island's birthday and say happy birthday to him, because even though he can't read your comments, but we do let him know what people say. So yeah.
And Babe's birthday is coming up next month as well, so you know, one after the other.
Turning 101. Anyways. Yeah, I've already ordered Island's cake as well, so guys, keep your eyes tuned for that video when it comes.
Yeah, stick around, you know?
Stick around for that.
So we are going to Coles now, we number 1 place we go shopping.
Yeah, pretty much.
Some grocery and things.
Yeah.
Not much.
Nothing too.
Yeah,
so join us.
Let's go. Blessings. At Coles. Yeah, on a Saturday.
Well, that's your fault.
I always hurt for yourself. So he bang his head on the trolley. Island. Hush, man, I saw it.
Whose fault is it? Oh my god, guys. Get ready for this. Tuna. No, Mom. This one. No.
Why is some more to the boy?
No, my God. Make some tuna sandwiches?
Yeah.
This.
We get it already. What is? Oh, I think I did bully beef this.
It is bull beef. You want bully beef?
No, because I saw bacon, I'm like, that's different. Oh, canned beef. Oh, it's good. I just was noticing that.
Huh? You want it in? What? No, you can't go in there.
No, that's not safe.
Yeah, that's not safe.
Island?
You got some lemons.
Bread. Egg on bread.
Big on bread.
No, I said egg on bread.
Yeah, in the car when we pay for it.
Yeah, we have grape already.
Yeah, we're good now.
Yeah.
It's only just a small shopping, guys. It's not
really nothing big. Have some papa this so.
Like seriously?
What is he doing?
Still got some there in the fridge.
Yeah.
Juice.
Which natural juice or?
What this?
Some juice here.
There's juice. The one you got last time was really nice.
Yeah. I did which one again?
There's a breakfast one there.
Where?
That one. Down there.
This one? Oh yeah.
That one or orange? This one?
I'll try this.
We'll try this one.
Yeah. Tastes good. That's it?
Yeah.
Let's
Got
go.
my dog at home anyway.
Yeah.
You got. You want some chickies or anything?
No, I'm good. You want?
Sure, for snacks or?
Yeah. Which one? Sweet and chili? Yeah?
Yeah. You want everything on it, that's what you want.
Everything. So I'm going, man.
Alright, let's go, done.
Yeah. Cashier?
Do you want to go? No, we'll go cash. You can scan. Sorry. Bit of a traffic jam here,
Yeah.
hey? Hey, mister? Oh, yeah. Got the bags, babe. Get the bags first. The bags. I need Panadol for my headache. Watch out now, he's so used to this now. And this is like squash the bread, babes. Can you stop, please? Stop right now.
Mommy phone.
This is Arlen when he's really naughty. No, you're right. Stop. I don't know why I'm saying that, but yeah. Did you get your receipt?
No, it hasn't came
No.
out.
Why does it need assistant approval? Receipt, Jim. Do you want the receipt? Yeah, I'll grab it.
No, mommy phone.
Don't worry, don't tell yourself. It's alright. Thank you. Let's go. Sorry, man. Honestly, yo.
So how you doing, man?
Excuse me. I've got a really stabbing headache. It's bad.
She's scary, man. How are this, man?
No.
You serious? Our old brother too, you know? The man didn't even put on him indicator, you know? And I'm supposed to be a mature driver, yes, you know? But I mean, I tell you.
What happened on the way here too?
Yeah, exactly. The same thing happened to you when you were coming.
Right, we're gonna go home and relax, I think, because Lord knows what kind of dangerous drivers are out there this Saturday afternoon.
Sir, yo. Quiet on a Saturday.
Well, at least the coffee lounge is open. Wow. Island, wait till we get home, please. You've been very naughty at the shopping centre today. I'm not happy with you. I haven't been happy with you this morning because when Uncle David came, you started to misbehave. It's not Uncle David's fault. It's your fault, because I don't know why you do that. No, it's your fault. How can you say it's Uncle's fault? My gosh, this boy's got the hide.
Uncle's fault.
The Uncle's fault.
Yeah.
If Uncle, you're watching this, it's not your fault, Uncle.
Uncle's fault.
It's your fault.
No, Uncle's fault. It's our fault.
Really?
Yes.
So you never do nothing?
Oh gosh, it's just one of those days.
Just wanna relax, you know?
Watch the Sunfest.
Yeah. Reggae some
Watch
fish.
MTM Family host it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully they sing MTM Fam.
Yeah, one day if they'll just book for like host, I'm not sure.
Or like at least give us a little skit.
Beautiful sunny day.
Look,
Watch a
look,
cat
look,
now. Yeah. A road killer want to turn post. I want to rat in this.
Oh my gosh. Like really?
Rat in this man.
What's going on today? Everything's
like
in our way.
Everything I coming our way if it be an accident. This is where I going from there. I swear, yo.
Oh
But how it
god.
turn away out there, man.
Honestly. So true. Wow, these potholes, man.
Yeah, I need to fix that street.
No
Yeah.
need to fix it. It's the worst.
Yeah, but what's a patrol there foreign until I reach a foreign. Oh boy.
I know. Government will spend money on the most silliest things at times. When you
Yeah.
think about it.
Yeah,
Things that don't need to be really done, and now it's like, you know.
yeah.
Outside is so nice and sunny. You
Yeah.
sit outside long enough,
Yeah.
but then like inside the house is cold, like an iceberg.
Yeah. I remember we saw a comment recently, someone mentioned about it got like 10 degrees in Australia.
You got
But
minus.
We're experiencing 3 degrees here.
Yeah, 3 degrees, 4
Yeah.
degrees. This morning, 4 degrees.
Yeah.
The other morning, babe was getting to work and it was like 3 degrees.
And it's not snow, it's just sometimes you look at the car, it's so frosty.